Prime Alliance is focused on the continued development of an open, public and non-proprietary networking standard, which will support not only smart metering functionalities, but also the inevitable progression towards a smarter grid. Powerline Communications has proven to be the most suitable technology to provide the communications performance required by distribution network operators, even in complex underground electricity grids. Prime allows the DNO to move forward with confidence in a proven, scalable standard for their communications networks. The efforts of the Prime Alliance have led to the successful mass deployments of millions of Prime meters and supporting data concentrators worldwide.
Today we have 53 members, so it's quite a high number. And the main purpose of this is to facilitate the deployment of the smart metering in the utilities. So this is really a clear focus. There are many utilities embarked in this all over the world. And we believe that the most effective way of deploying the smart metering is using the electric cables, at least in the last mile.
Prime is a mature, consolidated and worldwide PLC standard for advanced metering, grid control and asset monitoring applications. Whenever our members design and develop Prime chipsets, data concentrators, meter devices or management software, we achieve our target of interoperability and openness, which benefits all stakeholders. This interoperability can be best seen in the laboratories of Union Fenosa Distribution, where data concentrators and meters of the members' manufactured devices working with Union Fenosa Distribution are extensively tested before being deployed in this utilities network.
Prime technology is allowing us to meet the regulatory goals of remote management of electrical meters. Because it is an open and interoperable technology, we have a large range of equipment from different manufacturers, what adds extremely great flexibility to our processes. Prime technology is a reality. We have a large number of meters deployed in the field working properly. We plan to have deployed 35% in our users before the end of 2014. Today we have running features such as remote reading and operation, and we plan to get more profit from remote metering, such as improving quality of services to our users. The continuity of the technology is guaranteed by the Prime Alliance partners and the investments made and the result we all are getting.
Chipsets, data concentrators and meter devices are tested and certified to meet the Prime standard by approved independent certification laboratories. With an increased number of Prime certified products, interoperability among equipment and systems from different manufacturers has been achieved. Deployments by utilities and solution providers utilising the Prime standard have successfully installed more than 3 million meters worldwide at the beginning of 2014. The deployment of the Polish energy distributor Energa that started early 2013 is an excellent example of the efficiency and readiness of Prime.
During the initial stage of smart metering rollout in Poland, we tested several technologies and telecommunicational techniques. We eventually decided to choose Prime as an open and publicly available standard that allows us to build an interoperable smart metering system. By choosing Prime, we are able to be in line with the requirements set by the Polish Energy Regulatory Office. In our opinion, the openness of Prime makes smart metering manufacturing market more competitive and makes it possible for our customers to have the best-in-class solution at a reasonable price. We are looking forward for the further development of Prime, both as an organization and as a key standard for smart metering.
With deployments in Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific and the Americas, Prime has become a globally accepted and respected standard. The growing number of certified products produced by an increasing number of Prime members is turning today's energy distribution grids into modern communication networks. The features and capabilities of Prime have been developed to address the difficult challenges of powerline communications and have emerged as the only truly proven open standard enabling the vision of the smart grid. Prime as an enabler for demand response programs, Prime as connectivity media for distributed generation elements. We are only at the beginning of seeing a new dimension of beyond metering applications where Prime can deliver added value. A vision of mature, open and cost-effective distribution grid infrastructure. Prime, the interoperable standard for advanced meter management and smart grid, is the answer.